Hello, dear ladies and gentlemen. Now a little bit about the cucaracha. If you know already, it looks like this. One of the basic movements in Rumba. So, how to do it? First of all, I need to understand where is my axis, where is my standing leg. In my case now, it's the left one. I'm staying on the left leg and I'm creating the axis. On this axis, I need to start from the settle action. This one. Settle. And then I'm pushing myself to the side. Putting leg on the floor. And I'm not going up with the heel. I'm just pushing my way using the basic movements of Rumba, this Cuban motion, to create the change of direction. Yeah. So axis, foot, don't going up with the heel, push, basic action, and then go back on the same left axis. When I'm collecting my leg, first of all, I need to put heel on the floor, yeah, to create another axis. Then I'm using the body action, this basic movement of Rumba, pendulum, rotation. And I'm doing again the settle. After this settle, I can push myself another side. Pushing, putting the leg, not going up with the heel stays on the floor, pendulum, rotation. Now I'm on left axis and go back to the right one. Step, change the axis. Step, change the axis, change the axis. When I'm going back, you can see that heel is going up. But when I'm pushing myself from the middle part, heel stays on the floor. That's how we will create the dynamic. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Thank you for your attention.